Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to another exciting session. Now, many times in maths, you need to divide your numbers by certain bigger numbers wherein by using the traditional method of division may be time consuming and it may also lead to confusion and mistakes. So in this session, I'll be sharing with you very simple and time-saving tricks that will help you to get your calculations much faster and accurate. So let's begin. So whenever you are dividing your number by 5, so here you can see the traditional method of division. It is involving many steps as well as it is a bit time consuming. So now let us observe the trick that you can use. Simply just multiply your number by 2. So this 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 upon 10. So your answer is 42.6. Same way here, double the number. So this becomes 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Upon 10. So this is 86.4 into 2 and here also. So this becomes 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5 upon 10. So your answer is 502.8. And this question is for you. Now the trick to divide any number by 25. Simply just multiply the number by 4. So this becomes 48 upon 100, it is 0.48. 17 4s are 68 upon 100. So your answer is 0.68. This becomes 4 1s are 4, 4 0s are 0, 4 2s are 8. 804 upon 100. So your answer is 8.04. And this question is for you. Now dividing by 125 is a bit tricky and also time consuming. So let's understand the trick. So here you can just multiply the number by 8. So 8 3s are 24 and 125 into 8 is 1000. So just you need to put the decimal point just before 3 digits. Same way 11 into 8. So 11 8s are 88 upon 1000. So here 0.088. 501 into 8. So this becomes 8 1s are 8, 8 0s are 0 and 8 5s are 40 upon 1000. So this becomes 4.008. And this sum is for you. So basically the whole idea in using these tricks is you just have to convert your denominator into powers of 10. So then your division part gets eliminated. And what you're left is just you're supposed to multiply the numerator and then count the number of zeros present in the denominator and place the decimal point accordingly. So this makes your calculation faster.